The vivo T4R is a recent addition to the mid-range smartphone market, offering a compelling package with a focus on design and key features. Here is a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. For pros, premium design and display. The slim form factor, quad-curved AMOLED display, and a 120Hz refresh rate give the phone a flagship-like aesthetic and a smooth, immersive viewing experience. The 1800 nits peak brightness is also a major plus for outdoor visibility. Excellent battery life. The large 5700 mAh battery can easily last a full day or more, even with heavy usage. Solid performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset offers a powerful and efficient performance for everyday tasks and casual gaming. Impressive camera features. The 50MP main camera with OIS and the 32MP front camera both supporting 4K video recording are standout features for this price segment. Durability. IP68/IP69 ratings and military-grade durability certifications are rare at this price point and provide excellent peace of mind against water, dust, and drops. Bypass charging. This feature is beneficial for gamers, as it powers the phone directly, reducing heat and battery degradation. Stereo speakers. A welcome addition that enhances the multimedia and gaming experience. For cons. Lack of ultra-wide camera. The camera setup is limited to a main and a depth sensor, with no ultra-wide lens, which is a common feature in competing phones. Slower charging speed. While 44W is decent, some competitors offer faster charging at a similar price. Plastic build. The back panel is made of plastic, which may feel less premium compared to glass-backed phones. Can also be prone to scratches. Bloated software. FunTouchOS 15, while feature-rich, is noted for having pre-installed apps and a somewhat cluttered interface. No NFC. The absence of NFC is a drawback for users who rely on contactless payments. 4 special features. Quad-curved AMOLED display. This is a major highlight, offering a visually stunning and ergonomic design that is typically found on much more expensive devices. IP68 and IP69 ratings with underwater mode. This level of water resistance is a significant feature, allowing for worry-free use in various conditions, including specific modes for underwater photography. Bypass charging, a unique and useful feature for mobile gamers that helps manage heat and preserve battery health. AI-powered software features. The phone includes a suite of AI tools like Circle to Search, AI Screen Translation, and AI Note Assist, which are integrated into the FunTouchOS 15. OIS on main camera. Optical image stabilization is a valuable feature for both photos and videos, especially in low-light conditions. Overall conclusion. The vivo T4R presents a highly competitive offering in the mid-range smartphone segment by prioritizing a premium design and a strong feature set. Its standout features, the quad-curved AMOLED display, OIS-equipped camera with 4K recording on both front and back, and robust IP68/IP69 durability, give it a distinct edge. The MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset provides a smooth and efficient user experience, and the large battery with bypass charging is a huge plus for both daily use and gaming. While the phone has some drawbacks, such as the lack of an ultra-wide camera and NFC, and a plastic back, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. It is an excellent choice for users who value a stylish and durable phone with a beautiful display and a capable camera for content creation. It is particularly well suited for those who want a premium-looking device with a strong focus on core performance and unique, practical features.